Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna unbox this Noise Airbuds Plus. Let's get started. So on the front we get the Noise branding, Airbuds Plus, and the picture of these earbuds. On the left side we get to see listen to the noise within, and behind it we have some informations about the earbud, and over here we get to see proudly designed and manufactured in India, which is very nice. So let's open the case. So over here we have a soft kind of material. Here we have our Noise earbuds. Let's keep it aside for a second and let's check what else do we have in the box. So here we have a user manual, some branding, and some stickers given by Noise. Let's keep it aside. And over here we have the charger of these earbuds, and I guess these are C. This is a C-type cable. You can attach it with your PC or your laptop, and we get these to put on your earbuds. So let's keep it aside as well. And now let's check our Noise earbuds. So it has a premium look, and it has a button on it. I guess it is to connect it with our phone. And inside it we have our Noise earbuds, which look pretty decent. Now I guess these are on the pairing mode. So guys, today in this video we're just gonna do the unboxing of these earbuds. If you want me to make a video on these Noise earbuds, a review on these, then comment me below. Till then, I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.